Have you ever heard how loud a drone is?
Fucking loud.
Yeah, you can't even have a conversation.
Yeah, I got an
underneath
asshole
it.
in my neighborhood flies one around.
That's what shotguns are for.
Yeah, I wish I had
I've never
one.
fired a gun in my life,
Yeah.
but the first time I ever used one, it's to shoot the drone that's going to be looking through my window at my apartment.
Oh, yeah, this is fucking asshole in my neighborhood. He flies it all over people's yards. But I can't uncork. They already think I'm crazy. There's no way. And if I shoot it with a bow and arrow, I'm not sure I'll hit it.
By the way, did that video have sound accompanying with
It
it?
has some a little bit. There's music and some description of it.
Oh, it's music, but
it's
there's not the actual sound of those propellers.
you know this, but they have on their webpage here that it's quieter than a car on a freeway
What? It's quieter than an electric car.
Noise
at 150 feet away.
measured at 150 feet.
That's incredible.